Don Cottom with 323 Link. Real quickly, I want to give you some of the reasons that we're putting AV systems, audiovisual systems, on Windows, and some of the advantages for education in this. Well, for one, as you can see, we can do everything from large multi-split rooms. In this room, we actually have 3 rooms that connect all together. They can all operate independently or operate as one. And we are able to do this with 3 computers. Instead of 3 racks of equipment and cables running everywhere, we're able to achieve this in much smarter ways. And so OneTouch is basically a middleware that runs on a Windows computer, and we connect all of our peripherals and devices through the computer. This also makes the system fully NIST compliant, which is something most universities and schools will have to deal with in the next few years. It means we know what the sources are being used for, and we can audit that. And we can control what things do use. In the time of AI, this is going to become more and more important. So we're fully NIST compliant, but also the systems, we lower the cost tremendously. The maintenance contracts go away. There's a really long list of reasons to do this. We've been doing this for 6 years now, proving this concept in difficult places. We'd love to show you a full demo. Now, let me also say that our concepts are different. We're turnkey. So our rooms are turnkey. That's how we can provide quotes in 24 hours. All I have to do is change the number of monitors, the size, maybe the number of inputs, and I get an immediate quote that I can send out to my customer. And so we're able to provide quotes in record time because we do the rooms exactly the same. Maybe the peripherals and the way the room looks or the displays look differently, but the core, what's running the room, is the same. It's our OneTouch middleware. So as you can see, we have turnkey. These are some examples of rooms, an example of a OneTouch interface in a room. But we use a lot of touch screens where people can interact with the system and those types of things. And remember, this system was designed for AI, for VR, for AR. We're fully compatible. So one of the biggest advantages of running your AV system on Windows is we get to intimately work with how AI will work in the classroom. The computer, the control system, your AV system are one. That means that AI can fold into that and help us really change how learning happens, improving content, resources, and all types of things I won't go into for today. We also reduce your cost of total hardware by somewhere between 20 and 50% per room. We reduce your ticket load by probably somewhere, our fact has been we've reduced our ticket load by 70%, going to a PC as the core versus a traditional AV system. The other components here, the school can actively work and program their own panel the way that they want it with their buttons and their applications. We also can work with the university or school with different folks to do customized programming for their university that we would share with other universities later as we improve how the room works. But at the end of the day, we reduce all your costs. Your IT team can support it. You don't have to worry about some master programmer handling all your rooms. You don't have to worry about all a lot of the licensing and the things. We reduce most of the licensing fees per room. Just a tremendous amount of upside. At the end of the day, we're looking to fix every problem you have as an audiovisual person handling the tech in the classroom. So we focus on our features eliminating problems. And you'll see from this list, it eliminates a lot of problems and you get all the advantages of the future. So that is what we do here at 323 Link. We build AV systems on Windows and Android, and we provide them in a way where the university or school can normally maintain those products on their own. They may want to do some hardware maintenance or software updates, but this stuff is minimal cost, 10-20% of what you pay today for support. All right, thanks for checking it out. We look forward to talking to you. Please schedule a demo with our team, and I look forward to meeting you hopefully on video. Thanks.